students, welcome, and today we will discuss IELTS Speaking Part 1. So these are some intro questions and the topic is weekends. So first of all, let's understand what are weekends. Weekends are Saturday and Sunday. The first question is, do you like weekends? Yes, I really love weekends. It acts as a break from school and gives me a chance to rejuvenate my mind. This is the perfect answer for an intro question. Why? Because it is not one word. It's not just yes. You have to elaborate your answer further. Why do you love weekends? Or if you do not love weekends, why do you hate weekends? You have to always elaborate your answer. Okay? Second question is, how do you usually spend your weekends? Do you study or work? Now, this is a question that could be different for different people. If you are working, the answer could be different. If you are studying, the answer could be different. If you have a business of your own, then the answer could be very different. This is in context of a student. This answer is based that a student is answering the question. Okay, so the answer is during the weekend, I try to balance some studying with leisure. What is leisure? Enjoying free time activities that you can do. I try to finish my homework as fast as possible so I can party with friends or play video games. Okay? See, I have not tried to put any kind of unnecessary words in these answers. You don't want to put unnecessary jargon. What happens then? That the listener or the teacher in this case thinks that he has already preempted. The student already knows the question or he has prepared for the question, and you do not want that. The third question is, in your country, do men and women usually do the same kind of things on weekends? Now this could be based on you in your country, from where you are giving your exam, or from which country you belong to. So the answer is, in India, it's pretty common for males and females to have similar leisure activities on weekends. Now you can say on Saturdays and Sundays in case of weekends. But I've taken the same word. Okay. There might be some variations depending upon the occupation. Variations, changes. Depending upon the occupation. Again, the context is based on the occupation. You could be a student, so that could be different. But there is no difference due to gender. There is no bias for gender. There is no gender bias. Okay? Men and women have the same leisure activities. Men and women both can go for hiking, or can go for running, or watch movies together, or watch their favorite serials or TV shows for that matter. Okay? The fourth question is, do you plan for your weekends? Now, certain people have their vacations planned or weekends planned, but in this answer, we'll say no, I do not always plan my weekends. But if I have something special like a movie night or a party, I'll make plans. See here, I'll make. This is an informal way of speaking, but this also suffices in the IELTS test. We'll talk about formal language and informal language in other videos. Do you think that weekends now are more important to you than when you were a child? Now, this is comparing your position now, your age, then you were a child. I think weekends are more important to me now as a student because I get a break from classes and can do things I enjoy. If you are not a student, if you are working, you can replace this student and say working, okay, as a corporate, whatever your business job position is, as an administrative assistant or as anything, okay. When I was a kid, I looked forward to weekends as well, but for different reasons. When I was a kid, I looked forward to weekend. Looking forward is thinking about it, but for different reasons. Here I'm elaborating my reasons, primarily to visit my aunt. Okay. So this concludes your intro questions. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you, and I will see you in the next one. Bye. So if you like this video, please make sure to hit the like and subscribe button